Cumberland is a primarily rural community along the Ottawa River in the city of Ottawa. It is bounded by Regional Road 174 and the Ottawa River to the north, Colonial Road to the southeast, Innes Road to the southwest, and Trim Road to the west. Cumberland has numerous business enterprises, rich art and culture, recreational space, schools among other services which spice up life in the neighborhood. Specialists in renovating homes, Ottawa Home Pros are able to meet your needs for small or large projects. Interior works, paint, bathrooms, kitchens, basement, additions, whole house. Exterior works, patio, deck, painting, landscaping. We are expert contractors in construction and renovation known for professionalism in every aspect of home remodeling, competitive home construction and renovation cost, completing construction or renovation projects within specified timelines. We also do our renovation work with the goal of expanding your floor space and reducing your utility bill through efficient installations. Call us today at 613-288-9145 for your next home improvement project and our Cumberland renovators will give you a hand.